So at Xiaomi Grand Product Launch Conference, the spotlight was on the Xiaomi 14 Pro flagship smartphone that promised to redefine user expectation in terms of performance, display, camera. Under the hood, the Xiaomi 14 Pro is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chips, complemented by LPDDR R5X RAM and UFS 4.0 flash memory. This combination ensures blazing fast speed and seamless multitasking. The Xiaomi 14 Pro boasts a sleek design, measuring a mere 8.49 mm in thickness and weighing 2 to 3 grams. It is available in 3 stunning colors: rock green, black, and white. So 14 Pro features a 4-cover screen on the front, the 4-cover glass on the back, providing a seamless and impressive visual experience. It is 2K resolution and 522 pp, result in display that is boldly claimed to outperform even the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So it comes with 6.73 inches OLED ISO depth quad cover screen. It leverages even C emitting material, enabling a local peak brightness of 3000 nits with a resolution of 3200x1440 and 12-bit color depth. It delivers vivid and true to life. And 120 Hz with LTPO technology, class DC dimming, and 1920 Hz high frequency PWM dimming. It is also protected by Xiaomi Diacon crystal glass, ensuring durability. 14 Pro feature lenses COW by Leica and the new Light Hunter 900 sensor. The device is equipped with 3 professional Leica master lens and offer a remarkable 10 to 4-step variable effect. It comes with 15 megapixel Light Hunter 900 main sensor, Samsung S5K JN1 ultra wide angle lens, and a Samsung S5K JN1 telephoto lens with impressive capability. The front camera is 32 megapixel Omni Vision OV32B with the 4880 mAh silicon carbon negative battery. The Xiaomi 14 Pro ensures robust battery life, supporting 120 watt fast charging and 50 watt wireless fast charging. The Xiaomi 14 Pro does not skimp on other features, supporting Wi-Fi 7, infrared remote control, USB 3.2 Gen 1 stereo dual speaker, independent privacy leakage proof earpiece, a 4 microphone array, 1016X liner motor, and IP68 water and dust resistant technology. So that is all upon this video. See you next time. Take care.